Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
In both scenarios, the block experiences two main forces after it is released, the upward buoyant force and the downward gravitational force, or weight. Completely submerged, the buoyant force depends on the density of the fluid and the block's volume. A denser fluid exerts a greater buoyant force on the same submerged block. In scenario 2, the salt water has greater density than the fresh water in scenario 1, since rho 2 is greater than rho 1. Thus, the buoyant force is greater in scenario 2 than scenario 1. The block's weight, mg, is the same in both cases because the mass of the block does not change. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.